why I offloaded TikTok, Lemonade, and CapCut to free up some data on my phone and couldn't get it back. But I found out how to retrieve your TikTok if you accidentally deleted or you deleted it during the ban. I'm going to tell you how. Step one, you have to go to the App Store and go to your profile and change the region, the country and the region, or whatever. Change it to Canada. Once you change it to Canada, then they're gonna ask you for credit card information. Scroll down to none, and then put in a Canadian address. You can find a Canadian address by just Googling random Canadian address, and it will create one for you. Put that address in, go out, download a VPN app. Once you download the VPN app, go to Canada on there, get the VPN. It's gonna have this little countdown or whatever, and it's gonna tell you if you're connected. Once you do that, you're gonna go to your what is it? Your Wi-Fi settings, and then you're going to first you're gonna put it in airplane mode, and then you're gonna turn on the Wi-Fi. Once you do that, go to TikTok and download it back. It should work. Also, once you download it back to your phone, you can get rid of the VPN and it still will work. You just need to use that to get it on your phone, and then don't delete it again. Thank me later, but thank me by subscribing. Okay? You already here. Hit the follow button. Leave a comment down below. Each one teach one.